Okay, so just to showcase the response agent functionality, what will happen is a user comes to Slack, they put in a request for, in this case, a P&L Q2 from Xero, and they're going to send to all three platforms, Slack and Telegram and email. They send that through. The scenario hits the orchestrator, which makes its call to the Xero agent, fetches the profit and loss data, brings that back to the orchestrator. It passes that to the response agent, which checks its data store for the appropriate formatting, and then that should come back, and then it should ping 1, 2, 3 different platforms with the appropriate response. And then just to show what that looks like, so it lands in Slack like this. This format, this structure is what was fetched from the data store, and then the accounting data is what's dynamic. Then if we have a look at Telegram, this is the set structure for Telegram, and that's what that looks like. And then this is what our email delivery is going to look like in the form of HTML. Just a quick look at the data store. It's pretty straightforward. It's got the appropriate keys, so in this case the platform, we've got P&L all around, and then as this grows you would add your different presentation preferences. For Slack we've got the block kit build code. Telegram has the inline editing code and the HTML for the email.